What's up, y'all? It's Mel,
Alonzo.
Terrell.
and this is It's Mel Baby. We have what I call a Walmart snack review. Um, we got the Reese's Caramel Big Cup. We got the Humanix Lime Aqua Fresca. We got marshmallows stuffed with sour gel. What's they call these?
So, marshmallow.
Uh, we also have the apple cinnamon donut sticks,
And we got
and
these Sour Patch Oreos.
they call them Marlow-licious jelly-filled marshmallows, but they're filled with sour apple and sour peach. So we gonna see what that's like. So, what are we gonna do first?
I don't
Me
know.
personally, I think we should just go ahead and get it over with the donut sticks.
You think we should just go ahead on and get it over with the
Get that out
donut
the way.
sticks?
I
Get
don't-
the donut
uh,
sticks out of the way.
You
that-
said we need to get the
yeah,
Reese's
that-
out the
if
way.
we say that, I don't know. I don't know. I
I
said
don't
let's
know.
let's get the sour and stuff out the way first.
Yeah, right. Let's get these marshmallows out the way
I
first.
don't. Me personally, I am not a big marshmallow fan.
Me neither.
Oh wow, smell them.
These don't smell like no marshmallows.
Right. Oh, you
That's
couldn't
poking
smell
my
it.
nose.
You know what?
Smell like candy.
Right.
That make
Give
that
me a
make,
paper.
That make me want to eat it.
Okay, we gonna see.
And they big too.
There you go.
Okay. We got 3 peach. Well, I don't know if that's peach too much.
This one.
Oh, y'all can't see them. Hold up. Whitewashed. Still can't see it, huh? Y'all see them? There y'all go. Okay. Get a peach one. Let's go. That's what they look like.
They smell. This one smell like peach.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh God, it's sour.
Is that what it's supposed to be?
Oh God! Oh!
The day. Oh. Finish it off. That's your.
Do I have to? It got my teeth hurting already. Do I have to?
Y'all crying. That does taste like peach. No. Not what's in your hand.
It's nasty. No, never again.
Oh!
But you ain't tried the apple one.
I guess
good.
I hope the apple one
Look
better.
here. Cause y'all crying. We gonna cut that open.
Hey, I'll take one half.
It got me crying over here. Look.
And it does have the gel on the inside.
I don't know this was doing.
It's sourdough.
It's not. To me, it's not sour. For me, it's the marshmallow.
Wow. Who came up with that shit?
I know one person who would like this. That
Curtis gonna kill this.
I was just about to say that. That's the person that gonna kill it. He so for real, he love marshmallow. Exactly.
Hmm.
Oh, God.
Hmm.
Whoever made that, just
They need
They need something
stop.
to do. Well, I didn't mind it. I love marshmallows.
I'm not a big marshmallow
me
fan.
neither.
Only thing I was not a fan of was it when you chew it, it start leaking out, so say. And it's sour. They say the filling is sour, but that whole thing was sour.
Not to me. It was just nasty.
Okay, anyways, moving right along. What we got next?
The Oreo Sour Patch Kids.
No, that's
Yeah.
the Oreos.
Nah, I love Oreos.
Yeah, me too.
I never had those before.
And I like Sour Patch.
Smell Oreo.
God damn.
They really sure you ain't trying to open it.
This is what it looks like.
Wow.
It got like all that.
They have the sour patches in the cookie.
And the icing.
It's rainbow. The icing is kind of thick.
Kinda
Oh,
smell like
you smell that. Open and smell the
kind of
icing.
smell like a sour patch.
Open and smell the icing. You can smell the Sour Patch. You can smell the Sour Patch.
Hmm.
And Sour Patch Kids
I'm
is my
not
favorite
really
sour
feeling this
candy.
one.
Oh no, sir.
But I'm
Let's
still
go.
gonna eat it.
Right?
Well, I guess put my cookie together.
Ooh,
It's sour.
a little bit. Oh, when you like get into it, the after effect it hit you.
It's good.
Aftertaste of that?
Eat your cookie.
That one. Nope.
So far, everything I tried was nasty.
Ugh.
I like them.
Ugh.
You gonna have that.
Ooh, Lord, hold on.
Ugh.
You ate the icing. That's the messed up part you did.
I
Everybody
ate the
ate.
cookie too.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
That shit. They wrong for that.
Very.
That was not a good idea.
I love Oreos. I never had these before though.
Cause they're new.
Oh.
You know what? How y'all think they'd taste if we had it with milk?
Awesome.
I ain't about to find out.
You could try that, Toyo.
Oh yeah.
Nasty. What's next?
We about to do the apple cinnamon. That's around. They, for one, they're smaller than the. They do smell like apple cinnamon.
And I love apple. It smell like an apple pie.
Go ahead, get you one. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Alright.
Mm. Hmm.
No. Never.
It do taste like an apple pie.
May I please get some water?
Oh. Cause you need a. Cause you need to wet that whistle.
Well, I like that. They got a lot of sweet stuff. Dancing.
It looks yellow.
It's lime.
It smells like lime. But I kind of like it. I ain't tried it yet, but like,
Man, it smells like a knockoff Sprite.
oh, we
Well.
were supposed to drink some.
Terrell, get in the camera. Don't run. Don't run.
Watered
Yeah, what
down
this is?
Sprite.
What's
This is some watered down Sprite. Watered down Sprite.
I'm not getting the Sprite effect from
No,
this.
taste like the Sprite at my job when it like
When it's watered
don't have
down.
Carbonation.
yeah. It's good. It would probably be better cold though.
Probably would be.
But it's good though.
How long do
It's still
last?
it's still like kind of got like a chill to it. But if you had put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, it would have been better. But for the most part, the only thing I would, dang, I forgot we got one more thing to try.
Yeah. We gotta do
I
this
got a whole
research.
lot of. I got this, that, and that.
You like everything, huh?
I got my that. Oh,
The only thing
Oh,
that I will
that-
buy,
what is
but
it?
I'm
Oh,
gonna
Lord.
save that for the end.
Nah. This is the Reese's
Jesus
with the
Christ.
caramel off in it.
Oh, them I mean we don't need it too hard to cut. Move on.
Ooh.
So you don't want to try it?
Yeah, I try.
Cause I'm more than so many. This boy here, we Reese's heads.
I don't like Reese's like that anyway. I try. But I don't. I
Right.
don't like Reese's. They're my favorite chocolate.
Looking at
Twix.
you like you say black
Twix and Snicker. I don't like
Okay,
Reese's.
well,
I never did.
oh
Like
look,
Kit Kat. I don't like
the
Kit Kat.
caramel gushing out the middle.
I don't like,
like-
Kit
You can see it. Okay.
Kat. Man,
Huh, that's for one of y'all. That's for you. Nah, I'll take this one. Mm.
Look at the layers. You can like see the caramel layer. by
Yeah.
layer.
You can. That's the caramel right there. So, is it good caramel? Did y'all try it?
It do not belong with peanut butter and chocolate.
You crazy? You ain't never had a peanut butter cream pie?
No.
Huh?
I don't like
Me
that.
either.
All by yourself.
I love peanut butter cream pie. Then they put that chocolate syrup and some caramel on top.
Let's try it.
All right.
I don't like it.
Mm.
It's okay.
Got some more of that?
Hmm. I feel like I should have shared my Reese's with them. But
I don't like it. Oh man, I still can taste it.
I think this is the only thing we did today that I like.
There's only one thing that I could ever in this video try again. The Sprite. Well,
The agua fresco.
yeah.
So you ain't like nothing.
The only thing I didn't like on this
Absolutely
table,
nothing.
that Reese's and no marshmallows. But the Aqua Fresh put these apple cinnamon donut sticks and the Oreos.
Trash, 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 trash.
Who
I
are you
mean, not
calling
trash.
trash?
No,
Hmm.
this is
What?
trash.
Well,
Why? I like these. And the
Okay.
Aqua Fresh.
let's see if we can find one we like today.
Not the
Let's see.
avocado one being in
Not my avocado.
the avocado one part in the party too.
Like I want my 50 seconds.
And I said flavors.
Go ahead.
We have nacho and
I got
Tabasco.
two. Wow, you can read that?
My man.
Yes.
Oh, look at you,
I'm
boy.
not stupid.
It don't have nothing to do with stupid. You know Tabasco?
I don't know what it tastes like, but like I know the word.
Well, look at you, boy.
Hey.
Oh, look at that.
Man,
You can color in the lines, can't you, baby?
I've been cooking in a while.
Not when we was coloring.
That wasn't very nice.
Hey, you don't did nothing to hurt.
Fine, we could just rip a piece. You ate that in one bite.
What was
The rest of mine.
that? Look nasty.
So which one we gonna do first? The nacho?
You know, man,
I've never had Tabasco.
it's hot sauce.
Well.
Why you told him? He didn't know. He'd have just been.
Hey, it's on the thing.
He still don't know.
Yeah, I'm good on that one.
He read it all proud and shit. It's Tabasco.
Probably look like a white kid.
Like a proper kid.
Oh, I'm sorry. What my dad said.
Okay, get a piece.
Let's see what it smells like. It don't smell like, it kind of gives you a nacho smell, but like,
It don't smell like nothing. It smell like a Slim Jim.
Right. I don't smell. You know what this remind me of? The treats we used to get a dog. It smelled like a little sausages. It do.
On it.
Wow.
Okay, let's try this. It's supposed to be nacho cheese flavor.
Just like the regular Slim Jim. What
very
cheese is
salty.
that?
Salty.
Oh,
Man, can you say? Let me try that.
Ain't no cheese.
it tastes like regular Slim Jim.
What
The
they
only. Okay.
Making my face.
A regular Slim Jim.
Right.
I think I might try this one if I got some water.
We ain't got no water.
There ain't no.
You know what? We got ice back there.
You got
They
this?
must have put
Here.
a regular one in a nacho cheese
Where your
one
cup?
because that's just not right.
Can I get some more?
Oh, some of this?
Yeah. Please.
Uh-uh.
Yeah,
We ain't
that's
got
just
no
not
that. Mm-mm.
A regular Slim Jim.
You say cheese? Okay. Oh, that go cheese right down.
Oh, yo.
At the bottom.
Let's see if there's more after
Till we get
that.
to the bottom, that was cheese at.
That probably was a whole gotcha out there.
No, they actually, you can see cheese in it.
Still don't taste cheese. Tastes like regular Slim Jim. Not how you go buy a regular Slim Jim from the gas station. That what it tastes like. Oh, I do taste it like a little bit.
It's
I mean,
good.
it's good. It's good. I would actually buy that.
I brought that one at the Dollar Tree.
Okay.
Where you got that one from?
I got this one from the Walmart.
The Walmart.
It's Walmart.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Now,
You said
you want peas?
Oh, this was nacho flavor. Yeah, I was chewing on.
yeah.
You get it all?
Yep.
What
Yeah.
you doing?
Oh,
You just in a row. What, you hungry, baby?
no. I was just gonna eat it. I'm waiting on y'all.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, go get some ice with this.
It's not that hot.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna go get some ice.
No, we're gonna finish this video right quick. Yeah, it,
Ooh.
mm-hmm. That's that Tabasco, all right.
Now, you got something to drink after?
Nah, I'm good.
It's a little fiery.
Okay.
Lord, mom. Ooh. I felt it off the first bite.
Me too.
No, when I was first chewing it, I felt it coming on. But I didn't know it was gonna be this way.
It's a little spicy.
A little.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
It's more than little. Now, you need to get you a water?
All y'all talking and coughing, y'all all
Hey.
right?
I'm good.
I'm not good with spicy. You
It
know
just
that.
caught me off guard, but it's good.
It caught me on the first when I bit
Okay.
it.
So, it's obvious Alonzo liked the nacho meat
More.
stick.
I like that one.
Yeah,
At
you killed
least,
that one.
at least you all can taste the flavor of this.
That
one.
mug got the heat, right?
Lord, mug, got my hand hurting now. Lord.
I think you could taste the cheese. It's just that we were
The
expecting
aftereffect.
real cheese.
Yeah, like the after effect you could
Because
taste it.
when I ate that, it reminded me when I eat the meat and cheese together.
But this
That mug hot though.
instant you could
Yeah.
taste.
Most never again, only because of the spice.
Mhm.
If I see this one again, I'm going to get it.
And I was all the way in Garland when I got that. I ain't seen that one at the one when I normally go to.
Can I get some more juice?
I don't think they got no more.
You want some?
Okay. So, really to tell y'all the truth, I'm gonna be honest. The only one that was okay for me was the Reese's, and maybe the
Juice?
Excuse me, y'all. Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
you like the juice?
I do. I like
Good.
it.
I say
It
for
could be-
me,
I like.
I
if
like
it would
the
be cold,
marshmallows,
I don't like the marshmallows.
Mm-mm.
Nah,
but that ain't
can
my
we
cup
rate
of
it?
tea though.
Can you rate it?
Okay, we're gonna rate the Oreos. What y'all at?
0.
This a
Right,
0.
right. We had 0
10.
with
This
the.
a 10.
The Tabasco, just
I actually kind of like
a
this
This-
one.
5.
This right here, 2.1.
I'm thinking about cutting it up and
10.
putting it in my ramen.
That one is
That one is a 10. I like this one
This
too.
is a
0.
2.1 for me. That one a 10.
0.
I don't like. That's a 1.
No,
Negative
This?
0.
This right here, this is 12 for me. I like it.
wow.
There was only 2 things that I like here.
These were
10.
okay, but they're truly
10.
for kids.
I don't like that.
I didn't.
That's 0.
It was supposed to be sour gel, but the marshmallow is sour and the jelly in it is sour. So, well, I wouldn't eat this anyway. I just buy, like I said, I buy stuff to review to see how, you know, have fun with the guys, and
I don't like that. That's a 0. The marshmallows.
Everything here was a
That-
0.
well, what was the
Fresco, right?
flavor like? Was it sour like it was supposed to be?
Yeah,
No.
Right, it was.
like the outside, it was okay, but when you like eat the eat the middle, like don't like chew the middle, then it gets you. But that I
Right.
like that. If I like,
This was true to what it
if I want
said.
something to drink, I'll go to the store.
And
And
so
get
you
that.
like that
I like
aqua
that. That's my
fresco?
first time
Yep.
having what's that says?
Geminix.
I never had like Gemini. I be other people.
Wait, we say is Humix.
Humix. I always seen people like drinking those, like Curtis and stuff. Be drinking
Not
that
these.
stuff.
He
Not
be
that,
drinking
like
the mango juice.
the mango nectar or the peach or that. But I never had the aqua.
Because these aqua frescos are new at Walmart.
at Walmart.
I might go get it.
I'm not really, I ain't a fan of none of this shit. I'm
The
gonna
only
be
thing I
real.
like is the
Only
Oreo.
thing I liked was the Tabasco meat stick.
I know, me too. I like the Oreo,
I like
the donut
the
stick.
nacho meat stick and the juice.
It's the Alka Fresca, that Jim Slim, Tabasco, the donut sticks and Oreos. That's it.
So this way, foul 13, foul 13,
I'll put
Yeah,
you.
you
Foul
want a piece of
13.
that?
I'll put you in 513. How about
foul
that?
13.
Talk
If
about
you-
my Oreos like that.
If you don't know, around here, file 13 is the trash.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, you pretty much, he's right. Like, I like donut sticks. They are my go-to jam, but them apple cinnamon ones is kind of,
Took me off track.
we done tried them already.
What?
The zebra donuts
I
and
never
the
had 'em.
strawberry donut. Oh, I can't help it. You wasn't there.
I think I was at work. Whoo!
We had all that before.
What's wrong with you, Terrell?
Nut.
What you?
Oh, that Tabasco hit you in the, All right then, y'all.
That
This,
juice in it.
yeah, the Slim Jims, that was my thing. I didn't really, I like Reese's, but they wrong for that caramel.
Yeah, I like I said, I am not a Reese's fan. Now, if it was a Twix, Snicker, I'd eat it. A Twix, out of chocolate bar, Twix is my favorite.
You do
Okay.
know Twix come with caramel.
I am. I like Twix. It don't supposed to go with peanut butter and chocolate though. Twix ain't no peanut butter and chocolate. It's
He kinda
chocolate
right.
and
Y'all
Twix.
don't know what y'all talking about. Like I told
I
y'all,
like Twix.
you fat 'cause you fat.
Cause of you, Dad.
Don't blame me.
I'm fat because
'Cause you went to the taco stand the other day,
I know.
and I was like, what is this crap? Son, you just hungry? Is that why you eating this? And that was the worst tongue taco I ever had in my life.
Yeah, well, what they could like chopped up.
They could have cooked it some more. It was tough as
Yeah,
hell.
they don't put it on the grill.
Yeah, but you cook it before you throw it on the grill.
It was
Par
cooked
cook
already.
it. Yeah, but he didn't cook it long enough.
No, it was somebody that was being with him.
I don't give two,
Well, yeah, I know
two
what you're
jolly
saying.
craps.
Like cookie before you put it on the grill.
Yeah.
It was.
It didn't even
kinda
taste
tough.
like it was grilled.
It was like when I ate it. It bit the whole. I ate the whole lingual came off the taco. I just had taco and it was still tough.
How? And I don't have teeth and I bit it.
It was still like tough.
Yeah,
I
it
trying to,
was.
like, you know how you bite meat it be soft.
That's because. Anyway, that's a whole different other story. Terrell liked the pastries. Lonzo, I think, did y'all like this?
Yes.
Yes.
I didn't care for this
If I
too
go
much.
to if one of my brothers asked me, do I want something to drink? I'm gonna tell him, give him the aqua fresco.
I think we all like the Slim Jims.
I don't like this one.
This one is
I like
good.
that.
You tripping?
That green one.
So you taste the cheese in it?
No.
I didn't. I just taste
I
the regular
like
Slim
it.
Jim.
You had to taste the cheese in it because
You take like the after fact. You could taste the cheese
right,
a little bit.
right, but
that
but
green
not
one,
like
though,
this one.
Man, when I just bit it, I didn't chew. I just bit it. The side of my tongue was starting to burn.
I'm gonna put this in my noodles.
Ooh. Or should we eat the noodle?
Oh,
have
the
another one?
only thing that we did not review that was supposed to be in the review was
Ooh,
the cup of noodles. Everything
bagel.
bagel cream cheese.
Ugh.
We gonna do that at another time. I'm probably gonna do that with my son Curtis. Look how they looking.
No.
I probably do
What
that with
about that right
Curtis.
there under the noodles?
No, this is no. That's mine. Good try. No dice.
Yeah, you and Kerry could do that. Everything bagel noodles by you. I'm not
Everything
trying to
you
everything
taste
bagel.
like bagel?
Dicks. Till next time, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all be blessed. Y'all stay safe. Have fun with your family and friends, but responsibly. And until next time, y'all. Peace. peace, love, and hair grease. Be blessed. And we out.